YouTube. So, look, I'm gonna go ahead and let you all know that I'm about to get the worst big brother of the year award. So, what I'm about to do is we have a lot of dead cicadas out here, and I'm about to pick up a dead cicada and put it right where my little brother is sleeping at, like right by his pillow. He's about to freak out. I know I'm about to get like worst brother of the year. I feel bad. I apologize ahead of time, little man. I love you, but hey, you know, I hope you forgive me for this. Maybe if I buy him a PS5 or a basketball ball, he'll forgive me. But yeah, so let's go ahead and pick up the cicada. You know what I'm saying? We got a whole lot of dead ones out here, so that's a big juicy one right there. Yeah, go ahead and.
So this the one he finna pick up.
Oh yeah, that's a big one right there. So my little sister, I got OG me, chilling. Yep. And we about to go ahead and get this started. Hold on, let me make sure he's dead first. He's kind of dead.
She dead.
Oh man, I'm crazy just touching her.
Let it go.
Come on, man. Oh man. Clee. Watch out. Whoa, bruh.
Oh my God, they can't just go back to sleep. Y'all play too much. He ain't screaming that.
It's a bug, Khalid.
Oh my God.
Khalid.
You failed, Shahid. You failed.
Huh?
You failed. Oh my God! That's why I'm fooling with you. You got pee. You scared me up.
Look at this big old bird right here.
For real? Hey, don't throw them.
What is that?
Why you holding it like that? It's a bug.
I do it on the floor. I ain't throw it out.
He played all day. He got all of us with it.
I know.
Take it outside.
It's a bug.
This is Alright, y'all, I'm about to get my 1-year-old daughter. Let's see if she the only real G. Look at this, Nomi. Look at the cicada. Look at it.